How to change payment method in Amazon Prime Video. What is up everyone? In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily change your payment method in Amazon Prime Video. But before getting started, don't forget to like the video down below and hit the subscribe button as well. Turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. Now let's jump right into the video. The first thing that you need to do is have the application downloaded on your phone. You can do this from Prime Video's application or directly from the Amazon's app. It's the same thing. So first of all, open up your Prime Video and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now on the bottom, you'll find your navigation bar like Home, Downloads, Search, and then My Stuff. You want to head over to that, and all of your watch list and watch later list will be shown right here. And on the top right corner, you'll find the gear icon. So just tap on it to open up your settings. And once you get to your settings, you'll have to find My Account and tap on it. Then from here, tap on Manage Account. Now, once your account management is loaded, here you'll see your membership. And if you have a subscription or if you have added a payment method before, it will be shown right here. And there you'll find an option to change payment method. I haven't set anything, so here is my set payment method, but you'll get an option to change it. And then from here, you can save your changes, and then you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next video.